can't believe we've reached the end of the course. When we started, maybe every bird looked the same. Maybe you weren't sure where to look or how to begin. Now, I hope something has changed. You've learned how to observe. You've learned how to slow down. You've learned how to listen. And you've learned to think like a birder instead of trying to memorize every species. I hope something else has happened. I hope that you started noticing the natural world a little differently. Maybe you found yourself looking up instead of looking at your phone. Maybe you've stopped to watch a robin pull a worm from the ground. Or maybe you've heard a chickadee and smiled because you know who's talking. Remember, you don't become a birder because you finish an online course. You become a birder every time you head outside with curiosity. Now, I invite you to keep exploring, visit different habitats, join a bird walk, keep a journal, share what you've learned with friends and your family, and most importantly, never stop asking questions. That's oh so important. Every bird has a story. Every trail has something new to discover. And every time you head outside, there's another opportunity to learn. I'd like to thank you so much for letting me be a part of your birding journey. Maybe I'll even see you out on the trail. Oh, yeah. And if you enjoyed learning with me, I hope you'll continue exploring with me. I share birding adventures, nature education, and outdoor experiences through the Nature Wanderer. And I'd love to have you join me there as well. I have 2 weekly podcasts, The Nature Wanderer and The Forest Connection, and they're found on most podcast platforms. And before you head out, I have a graduation challenge for you. Actually, it's more of a final adventure. Within the next week, I want you to take at least one bird walk. Leave your expectations at home. Don't worry about how many species you identify. Just spend time outside. Watch, listen, notice. Then think back to the person who started this course. I think you'll be surprised by how much you've grown. And remember, the goal was never to memorize birds. The goal was to notice them. Once you start noticing, you'll never see the outdoors the same way again. I'll see you out on the trail.